Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So I have a new wig from ISEE Hair, and can we just take a moment for this packaging? Like, when I received this wig in the mail, I was like, okay, ISEE, I see what you're doing. But once again, this wig does come from ISEE. I will have all the information linked in the info section below. This is a part of their princess collection, and this is everything that I received with my wig. So the wig that I picked up this time is their Kinky curly Vpart wig, and the wig that I have is 20 inches long. This is what it looks like. It does have that Vpart opening, so therefore you can either pull out hair or you can do the no leave out method, which I will be doing. However, I will be using my crochet needle and show you guys exactly how you're able to wear this wig and make it look super realistic and natural without pulling out any of your hair. Firstly, I like to go ahead and just put the wig on just to let you guys see exactly how I received it and what the wig looks like prior to me doing anything to it. You guys can see that the curls are absolutely gorgeous, so gorgeous. Even after it being shipped all the way from China, it looks gorgeous. Everything is still intact. However, I will be co-washing this unit just to kind of loosen up those curls and to make the wig work best for myself. I'm going to be using my silicone mix conditioner, and I'll have everything that I'm using throughout this video linked in the info section below. Once I'm finished co-washing, I'm just going to allow the wig to sit and air dry overnight on my mannequin head, and then we're going to go ahead and get this wig installed.
Kitty bouncing, kitty bouncing, yeah. Body energy, mama don't need bad energy. Please don't go bad, yo. Mama don't need bad energy. Mama getting loco, mama getting loose.
So I pretty much let the wig sit and air dry overnight, and this is what the wig looks like. I didn't use any additional products aside from my conditioner, and I went in with my Felicia Leatherwood brush, which helped kind of clump the curls together, and this is what it looks like, y'all. Get yourself one of those Felicia Leatherwood brushes. I'll leave it in the info section below in case you guys are interested. So I'm going to go ahead and throw on my stocking cap, and let's just go ahead and get this wig installed. Now my hair is already prepped in cornrows. This will be the easiest way that you're able to do the crochet install method. So I'm taking the two inner braids that's closest to my middle part, and I'm going to leave those alone for now. However, I will be attaching the wefted clip to the braid aside from the two middle cornrows that's around the part. If that makes any sense, y'all just watch what I'm doing and don't listen to what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and attach the wefted clip to those two outer braids that surrounds the two middle cornrows, if that makes any sense. So you guys can kind of see what I did there. Those two middle braids are still there. So now you're gonna go ahead and take your crochet needle, and once again, y'all, pay attention to what I'm doing and not to what I'm saying, so I don't know how to explain this. But you're going to go ahead and go under the braid with the crochet needle, grabbing a piece of the hair from the wig, and just go ahead and pull that through and then loop it back around to where the hair is covering up that inner braid, if that makes any sense. I'm going to go ahead and link a detailed video really explaining this in detail on how you guys can go ahead and crochet the wig down, and also how you can remove the wig, because I didn't showcase myself removing the wig in this video. I completely forgot, and I will link a video showcasing how I'm able to do that for those of you guys who are interested. So I'm going to go ahead and speed through this portion. Hopefully you guys kind of get what I'm doing here. You guys can go ahead and pause and slow it down. But for the most part, I'm just crocheting the hair and attaching it down to my braid. So therefore it looks very natural around the part, as if I'm growing this hair myself. So I did pick up a little bit of frizz, so you can go in with some water. I am using a little bit of my foaming wrap mousse just to kind of lay those hairs down on top. But I'm going to also use a little bit of water and some of my extreme wet line gel to kind of help redefine those curls to make everything look really nice and uniformed. Now here is the before and then the after. You guys see just how beautiful this wig came back together. All you need is a little bit of water, a little bit of gel. You can definitely use a styler. I'm just using water and gel, and then somewhat shingling just a little bit to kind of help redefine those curls, and it's coming together so beautifully. Now, if you have a diffuser, that will probably work best here. I'm just using my blow dryer with the concentration nozzle, and I am picking up some frizz just by doing that. Definitely use a diffuser instead. And now that my hair is completely dry, I'm just going to pick out the roots just a little bit so I can create a little bit of volume. And now I'm just pulling out some of my baby hairs. Nothing too special. Just gonna pull those out just a bit, and this is what this wig is looking like, y'all. Get into these curls. When I tell you they are so juicy, like I literally want to slurp these curls up with a straw. And it's just giving natural, it's giving nice and flowy, it's giving like I grew this hair myself. And it's looking like a fresh wash and go. Y'all, look at how natural these curls are looking. Yeah, they look a little wet, but I promise you guys they're not. It's definitely my ring light and just the products that I use, the gel and a little bit of water. But you guys, look at how natural the part looks. I didn't pull out any hair, none at all. I didn't just lay the Vpart on top like, you know, the original method. I definitely did that, and y'all cannot tell me that I didn't grow this wig myself. Y'all can see that my edges are exposed. You can definitely be able to wear this wig back and have your natural hairline exposed. It looks so natural, and I'm just here for it, y'all. I'm going to give you guys a small little styling option just in case you guys want to wear the wig up and off of your neck. Being that I live in Arizona, it's still pretty hot out here, so I tend to do this a whole lot. I pull the hair back and off of my neck, so therefore I'm not getting overheated or anything like that. But I like to just kind of take the hair, kind of pull it back in a ponytail, and then I use this little clip just to kind of clip everything up, and it's just kind of giving you a nice relaxed everyday look. It's super breathable, it's not going to be too hot, but once again, it's super effortless. You can wear it to work, to school, however way you choose to. Yeah, so once again, this wig can be purchased from ISEE Hair. I'll leave all the information and details in the info section below, and if I can find a discount code, I'll be sure to leave that below as well. ISEE does accept Klarna and Afterpay, so you can definitely break your payments up into 4 equal payments. You guys, let me know what you guys think about this kinky curly Vpart wig, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.